voit jalat sut sinne eteen.
So it's 8 o'clock. Is that 8 o'clock in the morning, and the sun is bright. Look at that.
It's 7 o'clock.
Oh,
We have
okay.
daylight savings time.
Yes. Yeah. We're going to have steak and eggs again. That's my husband's favorite, actually. Every month. So we are visiting this place to have this kind of dish. Tuloy-tuloy yung video. 3 minutes. Tama na ako. May nakunlong. So this is our surroundings. We have a gas station there, and we have a lot of stores surroundings and hospitals, doctor's office, and everything, shopping outlets. Groceries, restaurants, and casino resorts. It's people loves it. Love the place. And houses, a beautiful house. That's the park. So the lawns are well maintained. We have clean surroundings here. The trees are well grown. It's greeny because it's autumn, and sometimes it's raining. So those are houses. This place was a farm area before, so it happened that a lot of people love this place because of quiet neighborhood and less traffic.